Just look. Oh my God, it's so pretty. So it seems that YouTube has changed a little bit about going live. There seems to be functions and buttons that I don't know how to use. I see a little purse app, uh, dollar sign, an app with a icon with a star. I'm like, what is all this? So if you want to chit chat, go ahead and comment. Love it. I can see what you're up to, who's here, and where you're from. My name is Jamie. I'm in Honolulu, Hawaii. And right now, this is my dear friend Connie's birthday gift. So this is black jade. Look how beautiful that is. Some green jade. Isn't that cute? Making some earrings for her right now. There is a hole on this origami crane that I'm going to wrap. Now, wrapping into a dip this deep is problematic. It's really hard to do. So the best thing to do is make the wrap first. Now, I just realized I don't know how it will look with this bird wrapped on there. So I'm going to wrap it and let's see. Because I might have to come up with a whole different design if it doesn't look good. Okay, let's see. I'll put this in the birdie. See how it's going to look on her hoop. Oh, that's cute. So the bird, when she wears it, this is going to be in her ear. So you will see the birdie from, okay, I don't want you to see it from the back side. I'm probably going to have to wrap it so tight that it does not rotate. Yeah. And then you'll see it from this side. So there will be a front and a back to her bird. Otherwise, you'll just see the birdie butt. I'm going to put this on the back side. And attach the tourmalinated quartz to the bottom. I picked that so that she could wear this on one earring and the jade bird on the other. I bought it because I thought it'd be such a cute pendant. And then I realized that wearing this as a pendant would be a little bit hard because the wing is going to sit in the chest. So there's nothing to guarantee which way this is going to sit. So I was like, oh no, maybe an earring would be better. We'll see. The nice part is I can always change it around. I'm going to tuck in my ends. And her birthday present is done. I wish I could get a bunch of these origami birds, but I was only able to get one crane. So I wrapped it with gold fill so it would match the gold fill earring. Ooh, and here it is, the set. So she puts it on. I'll put it the other way. There. Oh, that's so cute.